गुड मॉर्निंग। एमएससी प्रीवियस के फोर्थ पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पार्ट में डिफरेंशियल एम्पलीफायर एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। आज हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। लेट अस कंसीडर टू इमीटर बायस्ड सर्किट्स। जो आपने ट्रांजिस्टर पढ़े हैं उसको इमीटर बायस्ड ट्रांजिस्टर हैं, उसके दो सर्किट दिए हुए हैं जिनके लिए RE1 RC1 ये दोनों RE2 और RC2 के इक्वल हैं रिस्पेक्ट। सिमिलरली द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ plus VCC and minus VEE are also same for both. Okay. Now to obtain a single circuit of differential amplifier, we have to take some action, reconnection in these circuits. Okay. क्या है वो reconnection? देखते हैं। First is reconnect plus VCC of both circuits since the voltage are of same polarity and magnitude, and similarly reconnect both minus VEE voltage supply. Second, connect E1 and E2 emitters of both transistor. जो E1 E2 नीचे देखें, इन E1 E2 को कनेक्ट कर दिया जाए। शो द इनपुट सिग्नल V(1) अप्लाइड टू द बेस B1 ऑफ Q1 एंड V(2) टू B2 of Q2. Okay. B1 is the base of first transistor. Show it as input terminal, and similarly B2 as second input terminal. B2, B1 and B2 are bases of transistor Q1 and Q2 respectively. Fourth is label the voltage between collectors C1 and C2 as output voltage VO. C1 C2 जो कलेक्टर्स हैं इनके बीच में जो वोल्टेज डिफरेंस होगा वो आउटपुट वोल्टेज VO को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। नाउ द सर्किट डायग्राम आफ्टर द रिकनेक्शंस which are mentioned above will be shown here. Plus VCC same for both, minus VEE same for both. E1 and E2 are connected, then RE1 and RE2 are in parallel, and the parallel combination, resultant of parallel combination is shown as RE. Okay. And RC1 and RC2 are equal to each other, so they are mentioned as RC. B1 and B2 are representing the input terminals where V(1) and V(2) are applied with internal resistance R(1) and R(2), and C1 C2 terminal points are gives the output voltage VO. Okay. This is the differential amplifier which differentiates the amplifies the difference of two inputs V(1) and V(2). So it is known as differential amplifier. Okay. Differential amplifier circuit configurations. There are four types of differential amplifier circuit configurations. First is dual input balanced output differential amplifier. What it means? Dual input means V(1) and V(2) both are applied balanced output means output is taken from between C1 and C2. Second is dual input unbalanced output, means the both inputs are applied but output is taken from one of the output terminal C1 or C2. Third, single input balanced output means one input only one input is applied and output is taken from both between C1 and C2. And third is single input unbalanced output, means single input is applied and output is taken from one of the output terminal C1 or C2 and between one of the output terminal C1 and C2 and ground. Okay, now, these are 4 types of configurations. As I have explained, it can be written as, if we use 2 input signal, the configuration is said to be dual input, otherwise it is single input configuration. If the output voltage is measured between 2 collectors C1 and C2, it is referred to as a balanced output because both collectors are at the same DC potential with respect to ground. However, if the output is measured at one of the collector with respect to ground, the configuration is called an unbalanced output. Okay, thank you.